Ever wondered how to start investing in stocks? Well, you've come to the right place. Investing in stocks is a fantastic way to build wealth and secure your financial future. It's not as complicated as it might seem, especially when broken down into manageable, easy-to-understand steps. This video will guide you through the journey, from understanding what stocks are to making your first purchase, and even monitoring your investments. So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of stock investing. Stay tuned to learn how to start your journey in the stock market. First off, what exactly is a stock? Let's break it down. Picture a company as a large pie. This pie is divided into many slices. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying one of these slices. These slices, or stocks, represent a fraction of ownership in a company. So why is it beneficial to own a piece of this proverbial pie? Well, as the company performs well and grows, so does the value of your slice. This means your investment can grow too. On the flip side, if the company doesn't perform well, the value of your slice can decrease. Remember, when you buy a stock, you're not just buying a piece of paper or a digital asset. You're buying a piece of a real, functioning business with its own products, services, and employees. You become a part owner, however small, of that company's future. Now that you know what a stock is, let's move on to how you can buy one. Ready to buy your first stock? You'll need a brokerage account. Now, setting up a brokerage account is like setting up a bank account. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. First, you need to choose a broker. There are plenty out there, both traditional and online. Each has its own pros and cons, so it's important to do your research. Consider factors like fees, customer service, and the broker's reputation. Some offer a plethora of research tools, while others might provide lower fees. It's all about finding the right balance that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a broker, you'll need to provide some basic information like your social security number and other personal details. Then you'll deposit money into the account, which you can use to buy stocks. Remember, this is your money and your future we're talking about. So take your time, do your research, and make a choice you're comfortable with. Once you've set up your brokerage account, you're ready to start buying stocks. Before you buy any stock, do your homework. Yes, just like in school, you need to do your research before making an investment. Now let's talk about how to do that. Researching stocks is a critical part of investing. It's like scouting out the terrain before going on a hike. You wouldn't want to get lost, would you? The same principle applies to investing. You need to know where you're putting your money. Start by gathering as much information as you can about the company whose stock you're considering. This can be done through a variety of resources. Financial news sites, for instance, can provide you with a wealth of information about a company's financial health, industry trends, and market competition. Company earnings reports are also a treasure trove of information. These reports, which companies release on a quarterly basis, provide insights into a company's profitability, revenue growth, and future prospects. By analyzing these reports, you can get a good sense of whether a company is on a solid financial footing. Another valuable tool for researching stocks is stock analysis tools. These tools, which are often available for free online, can help you analyze a company's financial data and compare it with other companies in the same industry. They can also help you track a stock's price history and predict future price movements. When researching stocks, it's also important to consider the company's leadership, its competitive positioning, and the broader economic environment. Look at the company's management team. Are they experienced and reputable? Does the company have a competitive edge over its rivals? And what about the economy? Is it growing or contracting? All these factors can influence a stock's performance, and there you have it. By doing your homework, you can make an informed decision about whether to buy a stock. Remember, investing is not about making quick bucks. It's about making smart, informed decisions that will grow your wealth over the long term. Remember, the more you know about a stock, the better equipped you'll be to make a smart investment. Now comes the exciting part, buying your first stock. By now you've got your brokerage account set up and you've done your homework on the stocks you're interested in. But how do you actually go about making a purchase? First, you'll need to log into your brokerage account and navigate to the trading section. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy. That's the unique series of letters assigned to each publicly traded company. Now let's talk about the types of orders. There's the market order, which buys the stock at its current market price. This is quick and easy, but you run the risk of paying more if the price goes up before your order is processed. Then there's the limit order. With this, you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay. Your order will only be executed if the stock's price falls to or below that level. The last type of order is the stop order. This order becomes a market order once a certain price level is reached. It's a bit like a limit order but in reverse. After selecting your order type, you'll specify how many shares you want to buy. Then you'll review your order and confirm it. And there you have it. You've bought your first stock, but your journey doesn't end here. Investing in stocks is not a set it and forget it game. It's like nurturing a plant. You water it, ensure it gets enough sunlight, and occasionally trim it for better growth. Similarly, your investments require regular care and attention too. One crucial aspect of investing is monitoring your portfolio. Keeping a close watch on your investments helps you understand how your stocks are performing and whether your financial goals are being met. Consider using online tools and apps that allow you to track your stocks in real time. They provide updates on stock performance, alert you on significant market shifts, and even offer insights on when might be a good time to buy or sell. Remember, the objective is not to react to every single market fluctuation but to understand the broader trends that could affect your investments. Adjust your portfolio as needed, based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. By staying vigilant and informed, you can make the most of your investments in the stock market. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be complicated. We've covered the essentials today, from understanding what stocks are, setting up a brokerage account, researching potential investments, making that first purchase, and then keeping an eye on your portfolio. Always remember, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Stay informed about your investments in the market. Patience is key in this journey. Remember, investing is a journey. Stay informed, stay patient, and your efforts could pay off in a big way.